Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a geometry question and we need to solve for x. To solve for x, we are going to use the concept of parallel lines, transverse line, isosceles triangle, and a straight line. As you can see, to our geometry question, they gave us the parallel lines. Also, they gave us transverse line and isosceles triangle. So, first, let us name our angles by giving the letters. We are going to say this as angle A, B, and I'm going to call this angle as C. As you can see, angle B and 48, they are alternate to each other, so they are equal. So we say B is equal to 48. The reason is they are alternate to each other. So B is equal to 48. Angle B is equal to angle A. The reason is they are base angle of this isosceles triangle. So B is equal to A. The reason is they are base angle of isosceles triangle. Since B is equal to 48, A also is going to be equal to 48. So A is equal to 48 degrees. Let us call this parallel line as A, B, and this as C, D. Use straight line CD to get X. The sum of angles of a straight line is equal to 180. So if I take X plus 48 plus 48, I'm going to form a straight line which gives me the sum of 180. X plus 48 plus 48, this gives me 180 degree. So X 48 plus 48, we get 96. This is equal to 180. The value of X is equal to, subtract by 96 both sides, that is going to be 180, take away 96, we are going to remain with X is equal to 84 degree. I hope you understand the question. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment so as many people they are going to benefit from this content. See you next time. Bye.